I often say to the team, we need to build a business that will ultimately serve 100 million customers. But the interesting thing is, part of me said that with conviction, and part of me didn't even believe it. When the going is tough, that doubt can eat away at you. The question that you ask yourself in those times is like, am I crazy? Am I a fraud? And I find that in times like that, it is so powerful to have a strong team around you and people you can have these conversations with and think through what you're doing. So there's a healthy thing about this doubt because, you know, the way I think about it is there are like two archetypes at play. The one is the archetype of the boxer. So if you listen to Muhammad Ali or any successful boxer, they never think of themselves as being able to lose, right? They're like, I'm the greatest. I'm going to win this fight. But you need the other archetype, which is the bookmaker, which is the person watching the fight and going, what are the odds here? And what does this guy actually need to do to pull it off? And, you know, and I think having both those archetypes at the same time in the business is extremely helpful.